Jasmy coin certainly is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of computerized monetary standards. It's the principal Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two organizations and individuals with novel and imaginative information stockpiling prospects, which certainly is very huge. How about we in a real sense investigate it closer and sort of make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It especially was sent off in October 2021 by the Advancement Group, Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy means to basically re-establish and essentially protect kind of private information control. It joins customary web of things with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to, in every practical sense, oversee their own information as opposed to prevalent thinking safely. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain has worked to safeguard clients' information and give them all-out command over how and when it is used. To truly do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Relay Record Framework, or IPFS, which consolidates most certainly shrewd protector and security information communicator, or so they thought. The task likewise offers its clients an individual information storage where they can securely keep their data. The objective is to basically lay out a setting where clients would especially genuinely control their information and certainly choose how to utilize it. IoT gadgets will be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage and in an every practical sense, enormous way. The Jasmy stage has its especially local Truly token called JASMY, which truly is very huge. It is an Ethereum-based Really token and the main digital money to be made legitimately consistent in Japan in a significant way. This is essential since Japan is a nation where cryptographic forms of money are broadly directed and dependent upon severe standards. JASMY is intended to be an installment digital money. Organizations who generally need to gain admittance to client information can basically do as such by getting it and paying in JASMY, which is genuinely huge essentially. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which most certainly is normally challenging to drop by in an unpretentious manner. It in a real sense is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops. What was JASMY's genuinely most extreme cost? JASMY generally hit its unequaled kind of exorbitant cost of $4.99 in February 2021. It arrived at the extremely least cost in September 2022. What certainly is Jasmy coin utilized for, which is very huge. JASMY is an ERC20 token utilized as an installment strategy on the Jasmy organization, or so they thought. Jasmy IoT contraption clients are compensated with Jasmy coin tokens for imparting their own information to accomplice organizations, or so they thought. Is it certainly great to purchase Jasmy coin? There is no straightforward response to whether purchasing Jasmy coin in a fundamentally large way for the most part is great. From one viewpoint, this digital currency for the most part has been staggeringly unstable, which explicitly implies that financial backers might actually generally rake in tons of cash assuming they in a real sense purchase when the cost by and large is low and sell when it spikes, or so they thought. In any case, there for the most part is likewise a lot of chance included, and Jasmy coin has been known to out-of-nowhere crash. The marking stage, which explicitly is right now being worked on, ought to build the liquidity of the token. This might actually influence JASMY's future cost and market capitalization positively, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise, we shouldn't fail to remember that JASMY is an exceptionally youthful cash on the crypto market, so there truly isn't a lot of significant market information, and its by and large genuine worth generally is challenging to gauge, which is very critical. So at last, it relies upon your gamble resilience and speculation objectives. In the event that you're ready to sort of take a risk and you're okay with possible misfortunes, then, at that point, purchasing Jasmy coin could be a decent choice. None of the substance on Changely, including JASMY token cost forecast, is speculation guidance, nor is it a substitution of exhortation from a guaranteed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to especially purchase Jasmy coin, we prescribe you to do your own examination. What will Jasmy coin be worth, in opposition to mainstream thinking? You can in a real sense find the genuinely normal cost estimates by month and year in the segment underneath. Jasmy coin value expectation 2022, or so they thought. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy coin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Jasmy coin will be $0. The especially most extreme level that the JASMY cost can reach is $0. The truly normal exchanging cost is normal around $0, which basically is very huge. JASMY value figure for November 2022. In light of the value changes of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical JASMY pace of $0 November 2022. Its base and most certainly greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. December 2022, Jasmy coin value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists generally are somewhat prepared to declare their conjecture for the JASMY cost in December 2022 in an especially significant way. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the truly most extreme could truly reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin may be around $0 a significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of Jasmy coin in earlier years, it in every practical sense is accepted that in 2023, the kind of least cost of Jasmy coin will in every practical sense be around $0, which certainly is genuinely huge. The most extreme expected JASMY cost might be around 1 cent. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023 in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024 in opposition to prevalent thinking. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Jasmy coin, in 2024, JASMY is supposed to have the accompanying extremely least and greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency especially have broke down the costs of Jasmy coin and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base JASMY cost could drop to 1 cent, while its most extreme can reach 2 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will basically be around 1 cent, which is very huge. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026, or so they thought. In view of the examination of the expenses of Jasmy coin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least JASMY costs are normal in 2026, 3 cents and 2 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Jasmy coin incredibly. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical JASMY cost will be around 3 cents. It could drop to at least 3 cents, yet it actually could reach 4 cents all through 2027. Jasmy coin value forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists sort of get ready figures at the cost of Jasmy coin. It is assessed that JASMY will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 6 cents in 2028, or so they in a real sense thought. Its typical expense is normal at around 5 cents during the year. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. Digital currency investigators especially are prepared to report their assessments of the Jasmy coin's cost explicitly. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the kind of most extreme JASMY cost of 9 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around 8 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost truly is 8 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Jasmy